What's up, guys? PJ in the video. Here's our button below and subscribe. Go ahead and knock that out. Alright, let's see here. What is that? No, not the wall. Tower. Okay, here. Remember last time I couldn't conquer nothing because I didn't know how to do this stuff. I still probably don't even know how to do this. My little sisters, I'm sorry. You can drop a link below and the subscribe button. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. And I got a splinter in my hand, just burns. Comment down below if it's raining at your house. It's been raining here for a little while today. Where can I do that? Okay, what is this? Keep moving my face around. I say full. Alright, I changed my mind. Cancel. Alright, goes to fire. Cancel that. I am going to try to attack somebody. Yikes. I'm probably gonna lose, but it's fine. I'm just claim. Hold on. Anyone can join. Invited only. Close. Invited. Okay. That's it. Alright guys, peace in the video. This video is gonna be, it's hard to post it, but it's gonna post later because I ain't got good signal, but it's peace in the video.